morning. We're at Busch Gardens. Well, hello there from Aquatica. Are you happy?
Can you not tell?
What, by your
This is our
weird
first
smile?
relaxation day.
I know, my feet are gonna love this.
I don't even know what number it is.
16.
Oh. It's a kind of 16. Travel it around.
Yeah, just quickly, this is how private it is. It's just a pathway here. There's another cabana just over there, but we're kind of isolated, which is really nice. So come on, Dan.
So, yeah, so 2 lay down things.
Lay down things, sunbeds.
There we go.
Yeah.
A nice fan.
The ceiling fan is amazing when it gets really warm.
Some towels. We obviously get a locker as well included. Nice little wristband there. Some menu for food.
So to get food, you need to get a cashless wristband. So you put a card on a wristband. We didn't do it this time because last time we did, but Dan's now looking very intrigued at this.
Yeah, so I can't see a burger for our burger check, but a pulled pork sandwich, close enough, $14.
It's not bad.
But I'd imagine you'd have a tray charge on there as well. Because
I don't know if you do.
but yeah, 30 minutes for delivery. That's not bad. And we had chicken, didn't we, last time?
Large tender
I
basket.
think it might have been this.
Yeah.
For 4 people.
Yeah, we got the family of 4.
And it was amazing.
I remember it was $40-something, so yeah, that'd be the one.
Nice big fridge. Was ice in there? No.
Ah.
But lots of water.
Oh, wow.
We'll go through those.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 bottles of water.
Ah, nice.
Will
And
be
then we've got a nice
fresh.
view of the rapids as well.
You can just see it out here.
Sides.
Yeah. How much does this cost, Dan?
This costs $99. It normally starts at $69, but for today it was $99. Not quite sure why, because it's low season, but
Meh. It's not
Yeah.
too bad for the privacy you get and the space as well.
yeah, we need this
Definitely.
today, don't we? After
We do.
4 days of intense holidaying.
It's nice to have a relaxed day, isn't
Yeah.
it?
And then we've got after hours tonight, so it's a nice relaxing day now until tonight.
So we've had a chill in our cabana for a little while, so now heading back into the lazy river and taking you guys with us. This is our 2018 basic GoPro that we're using, so I don't know what the sand quality is going to be like, or the colour on that note. Top tip for you, if you're going in the lazy river, even if you can swim, take a life jacket, because then you can just float around, no effort at all, put your legs up and relax.
What?
Are you going to dunk yourself? Oh, I really don't want to do this. It'll warm up, it'll warm up, it'll warm up. See, Dan wandered off again in the lazy river.
I got pulled away.
I was saying, Dan, stop, stop, stop.
I picked up speed here as well.
Oh, shush. We're still going to pick up speed. Ooh. Grinded my leg against the rock. Lovely.
It always goes wrong.
Obviously, you all saw me on the water slide earlier.
That wasn't you, that was the camera.
Well, you got me then.
Stressy move.
Oh, it's close. Just keep swimming, 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 swimming. Just keep swimming.
graceful landing, Georgie.
Oh, it's fast.
Did you see any dolphins? Was it too fast?
No, I tried to look and then I got almost drowned in that bit, so maybe next time.
How are those slides for you, Georgie?
How's that?
The slides you just went on.
Oh, really good. The dolphin plunge was really fast.
Oh, hi, by the way, I can see myself in your glasses.
Oh, can you? Oh my god, that's so funny. Yeah, dolphin plunge was really fast and you kind of had that ripple on your back. I just went on the, what was that called? I don't know, the raft ride, that was really good as well, fast. I do wish Dan would go on them, but he's got a fear, so it's kind of understandable, but I can still go on them on my own, so don't really mind so much. The worst thing with water parks is the amount of walking that goes into getting on the ride, especially the stairs. So honestly, if I don't have a six-pack, or at least feel my hips by the end of the day, I'll be very disappointed.
In there?
I don't know, so I went down the hill and my front kind of lifted up, and as I pushed down the water was hitting my private areas and then I kind of swayed off to the left and I whacked my arm all over the side. It was really painful.
Oh.
It was good fun, except for this. I have never put so much sauce on a hot dog in my life to make it taste really nice. Dan's having a good go with these chicken tenders. Are they nice? Are they as nice as Disney chicken tenders? Okie dokie. Only one more left. Do it in one. Do it in one. Do it in one.
Yeah, that'd be clever.
So that's us all done at Aquatica today. Have you had a good day, Dan?
Yeah,
Sounds it.
No, I love the cabana. I think it's the right choice in booking that. So I really do recommend that. It's just nice to have somewhere to relax.
Yeah.
Get a locker, you get your towels and everything, a fridge and a fan.
And you get all your waters as well. So you get 12 bottles of water. They're all in the backpack. She did say to take them with us, didn't she? So we just took them anyway.
Yeah.
But
What was your favourite ride, Georgie?
I'm not going to know the names of the rides.
Describe it to us.
The one where there was 4 of us in a row and I came down on a tube thing. I forgot what it's called. A whack away. I'm sweating. I'm really sorry, guys. It's so hot out here. What was your favourite ride?
The rapids. I love the
It's
rapids.
the only thing you've done, isn't it? Yeah, the rapids are very good.
I'm a bit of a wuss, but I love the rapids. Recommend that anytime.
Yeah, especially with a life jacket because it makes it so much easier. We hope you have enjoyed watching this vlog. If you did, give us a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below for more videos. And on that note, we'll see you later.